No one has ever seen inside a black hole.
But scientists think they're closer than ever.
A black hole isn't empty space. Its gravity so strong, even light can't escape. Cross the event horizon. There's no return. From the outside, you freeze in time. Inside, you're stretched into spaghetti. At the center lies the singularity. But infinity shouldn't exist. So something else may be inside. Black holes may store information. Reality gets rewritten. Some think it's a doorway. Not the end, but a transformation. So what's really inside a black hole? If this scared you, wait till you see what happens next.